Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Yoga. இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம கிளாஸ் 12 மேத்ஸ் போர்ட் எக்ஸாம் ரிவிஷன் சீரிஸ்ல லெசன் 6 பார்ட் 2 தான் பார்க்க போறோம். ஏற்கனவே நான் லெசன் 1 ல இருந்து லெசன் 5 வரைக்கும் போர்ட் எக்ஸாம் ரிவிஷன் சீரிஸ் வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். அதோட லிங்க் நான் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல கொடுக்கிறேன். லெசன் 6 பார்ட் 1 ஓட வீடியோவும் அப்லோட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். இப்போ நம்ம லெசன் 6 பார்க்க போறோம். வாங்க फ्रेंड्स வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம். இப்போ லெசன் 6ல பார்ட் 2 பார்க்க போறோம். Different forms of equation of a straight line. A point on the straight line and the direction of the straight line are given. அப்போ நமக்கு form of vector equation என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம். r vector equal to a vector plus t into b vector. Non parametric form of vector equation பார்த்தீங்கன்னா r minus a vector into அதாவது cross b vector equal to 0. Cartesian equation பாருங்க x minus x1 divided by b1 equal to y minus y1 by b2 equal to z minus z1 by b3. இப்போ straight line passing through two given points னா அதுக்கான equation பார்க்க போறோம். Parametric form of vector equation வந்து r vector equal to a vector plus t into b vector minus a vector. Non parametric form of vector equation r vector minus a vector cross b vector minus a vector equal to 0. Cartesian form of equation பாருங்க x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. இப்போ angle between two straight lines பார்க்கலாம். Vector form. The acute angle between two given straight lines r vector equal to a vector plus sb vector and r vector equal to c vector plus td vector is given by cos theta equal to modulus of b vector dot d vector divided by modulus of b vector into modulus of d vector. அப்போ நமக்கு theta equal to cos inverse of இந்த term வரும். Next Cartesian form பார்க்க போறோம். If two lines are given in Cartesian form as x minus x1 by b1 equal to y minus y1 by b2 equal to z minus z1 by b3 and x minus x2 by d1 equal to y minus y2 by d2 equal to z minus z2 by d3. அப்போ நமக்கு அதுக்கான angle எப்படி வரும்னு பார்க்கலாம். theta equal to cos inverse of modulus of b1 d1 plus b2 d2 plus b3 d3 divided by square root of b1 square plus b2 square plus b3 square into square root of d1 square plus d2 square plus d3 square. இப்போ distance between two parallel planes பார்க்க போறோம். delta equal to mod of d1 minus d2 divided by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. Equation of line of intersection of two planes x minus x1 by l1 equal to y minus y1 by l2 equal to z minus 0 by l3. இப்போ equation of a plane passing through the line of intersection of two given planes r vector dot n1 vector minus d1 plus lambda into r vector dot n2 vector minus d2 equal to 0. Image of a point in a plane அதோட position vector பார்க்க போறோம். b vector equal to u vector plus 2 into p minus u vector dot n vector divided by modulus of n vector the whole square. Coordinates of the image of a point in a plane v vector equal to u vector plus 2 into p minus u vector dot n vector into n vector divided by modulus of n vector the whole square. Meeting point of a line in a plane பார்க்க போறோம். Position vector equal to a vector plus p minus a vector dot n vector divided by b vector dot n vector into b vector. இப்போ angle between a line and a plane sin theta equal to modulus of b vector dot n vector divided by modulus of b vector into modulus of n vector. Distance of a point from a plane. Equation of a plane in vector from delta equal to u vector dot n vector minus p divided by modulus of n vector. Equation of a plane in Cartesian form. Delta equal to a h1 plus b y1 plus c z1 minus p divided by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. இது வந்து நமக்கு modulus of இந்த வேல்யூ வரும். Angle between two planes. The acute angle theta between two planes r vector dot n1 vector equal to p1 and r vector dot n2 vector equal to p2 is given by theta equal to cos inverse of modulus of n vector dot n2 vector divided by n1 modulus of n1 vector into modulus of n2 vector. The acute angle theta between the planes a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0 is given by theta equal to cos inverse of modulus of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 divided by square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Condition for coplanarity of two lines. Condition in vector form c vector minus a vector dot b vector cross d vector equal to 0. Condition in Cartesian form modulus of x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1 b1 b2 b3 d1 d2 d3. இது determinant of value equal to கூட 0 ன்னு சொல்லலாம். Equation of plane containing two non-parallel coplanar lines. Parametric form of vector equation, r vector equal to a vector plus t into b vector plus s into d vector. Non-parametric form of vector equation, r vector minus a vector dot b vector plus d vector equal to 0. Cartesian form of equation of plane, determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, b1, b2, b3, d1, d2, d3 equal to 0. Equation of a plane passing through two given distinct points and is parallel to a non-zero vector. Parametric form of vector equation, r vector equal to a vector plus s into b minus a vector plus t into c vector. Non-parametric form of vector equation, r vector minus a vector dot b vector minus a vector cross c vector equal to 0. Condition for a line to lie in a plane. If the line r equal to a vector plus tb vector lies in the plane r vector dot n vector equal to d, then a vector dot n vector equal to d and b vector dot n vector equal to 0. If the line x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c lies in the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0, then ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d equal to 0 and a into capital A plus b into capital B plus c into capital C equal to 0. Equation of a plane passing through a given point and parallel to two given non-parallel vectors. Parametric form, r vector equal to a plus sb vector plus dc vector. Non-parametric form, r vector minus a vector dot b vector plus c vector equal to 0. Cartesian form of equation, determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3 equal to 0. Equation of plane passing through three given non-collinear points. Parametric form of vector equation, r vector equal to a vector plus s into b minus a vector plus t into c minus a vector. Non-parametric form of vector equation, r minus a vector dot b minus a vector plus c minus a vector equal to 0. Cartesian form of equation, determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equal to 0. Different form, r vector minus a vector dot n vector equal to 0. Cartesian form, a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. Intercept form of equation of plane, x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. General form, ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 of first degree in x, y, z represents a plane. Different forms of equation of a plane. Equation of a plane when a normal to the plane and distance of the plane from the origin are given. Vector equation of a plane in normal form, r vector dot d cap equal to p. Cartesian equation, lx plus my plus nz equal to p. Shortest distance between two parallel lines, r vector equal to a vector plus sb vector and r vector equal to c vector plus tb vector is given by d equal to modulus of c vector minus a vector plus b vector divided by modulus of b vector. Shortest distance between two skew lines, r vector equal to a plus sb vector and r equal to c plus td vector is given by delta equal to modulus of c minus a vector dot b vector plus d vector divided by modulus of b vector plus d vector. The two given lines with direction ratios b1, b2, b3, d1, d2, d3 are parallel if and only if b1 by d1 equal to b2 by d2 equal to b3 by d3. The two given lines with direction ratios b1, b2, b3 and d1, d2, d3 are perpendicular if and only if b1, d1 plus b2, d2 plus b3, d3 equal to 0. If the direction cosines of two given straight lines are L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2, then angle between the two given straight lines is cos theta equal to modulus of L1, L2, M1, M2, N1, N2. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்திருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். இதில் எல்லா ஃபார்முலாஸுமே நான் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். அந்த ஆர்டர் ஆஃப் ஃபார்முலாஸ் மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் சேஞ்ச் ஆக சான்சஸ் இருக்குது. அது நீங்கள் படிக்கும் போது எந்த எக்ஸசைஸ்க்கு மட்டும் எது வருதோ அதை மேட்ச் பண்ணி படிச்சுக்கோங்க. மற்றபடி எல்லா ஃபார்முலாஸுமே இதில் இன்க்ளூட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்திருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோடு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்.